Yeah, and I bet they were volcanoes.
All right, so we're here at the park, and the kids want to know about volcanoes.
All right.
So they were playing with the dinosaurs, and they said, let's see what volcanoes do. So we're gonna mix a couple things up and see if we can get the volcano to erupt. You guys want to see the volcano erupt?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. All right, guys, so our first experiment is gonna be pop rocks
Pop, pop, pop.
and soda.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's dump our. Wait, guys, one at a time.
I do.
Up.
So we're dumping pop rocks in here,
There you go.
as many as we can. Go ahead, just dump it.
All right, just dump it in, Bella. Asteroids.
Wow.
Okay, inside. So we have this funnel, and we have a bottle in there, and we're trying to.
So not sure if it's gonna work. We just read pop rocks and soda kind of explode when they mix together.
So I have all the Pop-Tarts in there. There's a bottle in there.
It's a pasta.
Oh, not Pop-Tarts. I'm thinking Pop-Tarts. Pop rocks. Oh, Bella's moving out of the way. She's smart.
I'm gonna move the funnel just so I can do it.
Do you guys think it's gonna do something? I don't think so.
I hear it.
I can hear it too.
Oh!
Whoa!
That was so cool.
I can hear it, but it wasn't like nothing big.
Can you hear it? I can hear it.
With more papa.
Poor dinosaurs. No, I think we need to go with
Let's try
something different.
Let's try to go
Whoa,
bigger.
I can see soda in there.
Oh, look at that. All right, guys.
All right, let's try the next one. This is baking soda.
I already know what's going to happen.
So we have our.
So we're gonna put the baking soda in there.
Give me
Oh, watch out. I don't think this funnel works that good.
Oh. No.
Hey,
That's a lot.
No.
Got some red dye, so we can make it kind of look like it, huh?
Are you sure this is gonna work?
No.
You're not. That's a fun thing about
Jacob.
science, right? It's all experimental. What are you doing, Jacob? Get over here.
What? I already know what's going to happen.
Maybe I want
Okay, you're just like doing.
Oh!
Whoa! Look at that!
China!
Oh my god! Dinosaur! Is this how they got extinct?
Maybe. You never.
Big! That's a lot! Jacob. No, you're gonna get your hands all red.
Well, that one worked.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not a lot. Slowly.
you gotta dump it in there.
I can't because they're no fun.
Oh my gosh! Whoa! Whoa!
That was
Think there's still some in there?
I don't know. Stop it!
Look at the elephant.
You guys
Look
are
at the
making a
snow.
mess.
Now the elephant.
Holy moly! Look at that.
A volcano and snow.
Volcano snow.
Get your hands off of that.
Look, let's see what it does if we just do it. Look on that. Whoa!
Ooh,
at that, guys.
Look at that. It bubbles up. Poor dinosaurs.
All these dinosaurs. But you had to.
Oh!
Oh,
Let's see if we
that's cool. What are you mixing in there?
Sand.
Now we get to go home and write about it.
Oh!
Did it get your hand? That was fun. How fun.
That one worked out good. I
It
like that
did. So we're all out.
one. Yeah, vinegar and baking soda works good.
Oh, and
Used all the vinegar, so we're gonna try this still.
I doubt it.
Yeah. I doubt it. I probably shouldn't have used it all. But look, I see it reacting in there, but probably because I didn't have enough. So look, I wonder if it works.
It just turned green.
No, fail.
Oh well. All right, guys.
It's gonna be amazing.
So we've always wanted to do this. The Mentos and sodas.
Yeah.
So we got the dinosaurs ready. We got the Mentos ready.
Poor dinosaurs.
Let's see. Hopefully
Back
I don't
up.
screw this up enough.
Back up.
Back up, Daddy.
That's crazy.
All right, guys. I didn't bury this one just because I didn't want to. All right, showed you. We got the dinosaur still.
Yep.
More Mentos. Another soda. Are you guys ready for this one?
Yeah.
Jacob, back
Try
up.
to do it better than last time.
Last
So-
time it was blue.
Oh! I just
Jacob, don't!
look at all the Mentos on the
Oh
bottom.
my god.
These ones say hello, Mentos.
Did you guys like the experiment?
Yes.
Should we do some more some other time?
Yeah.
Remember not to try this without your parents.
That's true.
Do not try this without your parents. Do not try it at home. Thanks for watching.